Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is super exciting because I'm collabing with my friend Kate over on So Kate. So after you're finished watching this video, please head on over to Kate's channel and watch her video. I'm sure you will love her channel. It is much like mine, and I will have all of her information linked in my description box down below. Kate and I are collabing on a closet decluttering and organizing video. I am decluttering and organizing my boys' closet. I have 3 boys and they share this one closet, and so we're going to go through their clothes and what's at the top and just declutter it basically, and not put a lot of stuff back into it because I don't want it full of just junk. But anyways, if you are new and coming over from Kate's channel, welcome to my channel, and I hope you would consider subscribing. So hit the subscribe button now, also the bell notification button, so you'll be notified of when I have new content coming out. And let's get into our videos.
Hey guys, I'm Kate and this is So Kate. I do videos with lots of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering motivation, as well as lots of cooking motivation and inspiration, and lots of DIY, so lots of DIY inspiration over here. And I would love for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and become part of the So Kate family once you are done over at Jessica's. So we definitely have a lot of fun over here. And Jessica, thank you so much for collaborating with me. This video was so fun. I loved it, and I can't wait to have you here.
Worth it. Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. So many lights with us tonight, night. Don't let them go to waste. Look into my eyes. It's gonna be alright. Tomorrow's gonna be okay.
They actually have a lot more shoes than these right here, and so they're not all going to fit up here, but I'll probably put some just on the bottom of the closet. Also, I'm going to have to go around and search for those, and then also not put back any that don't fit them any longer. So I usually put Aiden's at the top and Luke's at the bottom and Jack's at the very bottom, just on the floor in front of the drawers. I'm gonna probably line up a few pairs also.
Moment, one shot. That's all we got. One moment, one shot. I don't belong to somewhere else than where I lay my bags. It's so hard to stay up and don't hide away behind the same old mask.
Take everything out. I'm not working with a lot of space up here because of the ornaments, but I might be able to put those somewhere else, but I'm going to keep them up here for right now. I also have to go through all of these clothes and then all of the clothes in the little bins here, so I think I'm going to start on those first and then vacuum, and then I need to put their linens back up here. I think I will move these. I just have to wait till the end to move them and then go through all of those. So let's start with the bins.
But tonight I got the cool and I wanna go dance with you. So if you are in the mood, it's worth it. We don't belong with masks on. Leave them here and don't look back. So many lights with us tonight, night. Don't Look into my eyes, eyes, eyes. It's gonna be right, right, right. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. One moment, one shot. Oh, that's all we got. One moment, one shot. That's all we got. One moment, one shot.
So here I'm just going through everything that I hang up and just kind of putting them in somewhat of an order. So I start off with costumes, and this is from right to left on the right side. I start with costumes and coats and jackets, hoodies, sweaters, long sleeve shirts. Then I go to short sleeve shirts, vests, pants, and then I think they each have a belt, and I hang that on some baseball pants that they have. And then I'll start on the very far left side with Aiden's clothes, and I'll do the same lineup, except I think I put all of their costumes on the right side this time. But on Aiden's side, starting off on the left will be his coats and sweaters and hoodies and long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, and pants with a belt. And then the same thing for Jack's clothes, which a lot of Jack's clothes are things that Luke has outgrown, so they're probably a little too big for him come the winter. I think mostly they're winter clothes, but a lot of Jack's clothes are just in his chest of drawers in the bedroom. But anyways, that's kind of how I line everything up. I hope that made sense. And as you can see here, Aiden really doesn't have a whole lot of clothes since he's the older one. He gets the new clothes every season. Jack has some stuff that's been handed down to him from Aiden and Luke, and then Luke has a whole lot because Aiden had just got done wearing a lot of this. So anyways, that's kind of how I organize their closet. This is just some stuff that I either need to pack away or put it somewhere else, like these uniform shorts. Luke really doesn't need those right now, so I'm going to put those away for next year. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It means so much to me that you are watching my videos and enjoying them. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to go check out my friend Kate's channel. I'll leave all of her information down below in my description box. Be sure to tell her that I sent you over in her comments and subscribe to her channel. Also, if you are new coming from Kate's channel and you made it this far in my video, video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
You're in the middle, so I feel